During their patrol on July 4th, New Smyrna Beach police spotted a group of young adults showing signs of underage drinking. The group consisted of Avery McKinnis, David Stacy, and Michaela Money Penney. But as soon as officers asked for their information, Avery and Michaela immediately avoided the questions and refused to cooperate. And that moment marked the beginning of the tension that followed.
How old are you? Huh?
You what?
I don't know anything to say. You don't want to tell me your name, date of birth, and your age?
You know what's coming next, right?
Oh my God!
Stand up. Stand up. Let's go. Turn around. You want to play that game with me too? You get one chance to tell me your real name and your date of birth.
2003.
Back up.
2003, August 11th. Imagine getting somebody in
Just back up, please. Back up. You're not just sitting there.
Are we just sitting here? Look at all these people back here.
August 11th. Okay, cool. So you're not 21.
What did I say? What did I say? You guys need to get some lives and some families,
Said you were 21.
bro. Oh, I'm sorry.
Whoops.
Enough.
One more word.
What's your name?
How old are you?
It doesn't matter.
Well, you appear intoxicated to me. Come over here. Come over here.
I can walk you a straight line, brother.
Okay. Sit down. Sit. Sit down.
It doesn't fucking matter. Get the f off.
Okay. Come sit down.
Get off me.
Stop. Come back over here.
Am I doing something wrong?
Sit down. Stay there.
Please fucking video this. Please. Am I doing something wrong?
Yes, you are. Calm
Right
down.
What am I doing? Read it to me.
Well, now you're resisting.
Resisting what? Standing here? Is that actually for real?
Relax.
I'm relaxed.
I don't know why you're acting like that.
It's all good. I'm relaxed.
Well, you are now, but you were just trying to fight with the cops.
I know. I'm just trying to figure
Why
out
would
why
you-
I'm getting detained for standing here.
What's that? No, you're getting detained for obstructing. We'll explain that to you. But you were given a lawful order. You refused to comply. We told you to stop. You said no. All right, you still refusing to give me your name and date of birth?
David Stacy.
I'm sorry?
David Stacy.
Alright.
David?
Stacy.
Are you mad?
What's that?
Are you mad because you
I don't get that. Because I don't have a family? That's really? That's how you act? Is that how your mom taught you to act?
No, I respect the police. I
Then why are you
respect.
acting like that?
I don't
You're
know.
asking about my family?
I'm just standing
I think
here
you're just
and then
really
you detained
I
me.
think you're really intoxicated. Like that's what you're making bad choices right now. So calm down. I'm not treating you with disrespect.
That's fair. Okay, fine. If you say so. I'm just stand here with all respect. You guys are good to go. You're doing your job, whatever. I'm just here from Ohio, just standing here.
All right. What's your name?
Michaela Money Penney.
Then why are you acting that way if you're not intoxicated?
Because I don't know what I'm behind cuffs for if I'm
Well,
not acting that way.
You didn't follow a lawful order. Then you resisted arrest.
Sir, can I ask?
Yes. Yeah, I told you to stay back because we were conducting an investigation. You didn't.
And I stayed back.
Got several warnings.
I stayed back
You
right
didn't.
with him.
And then when he asked you a question, you tried to run away from him.
Okay, sir. I tried to run away.
It's all in this right here called a body camera.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So, how did you get here today?
I Ubered here from Lyft. Is there a problem with that?
You guys have any credit card or anything like that with your name on it?
I have an ID at the house.
Here with you now. Do you have any credit card or anything? So how are you buying stuff on the beach? You don't have a credit card?
Look, let me interrupt her. As you guys try to be more and more vague and quiet, you're making it worse for yourself, all right? You are required to identify yourself, which you've given me. Listen, let me finish talking, all right? If we cannot ID you, then we have to take you, book you, and fingerprint you. You have no choice but to go fully into custody. We're trying to work through that. That's why she's asking, do you have an ID? Do you have a credit card? Something to identify you. Now you might magically have it on you.
No, I'm telling you, I can check.
Okay.
Because I don't remember if I had it on me genuinely on my mom's life. I don't remember if I brought it with me. So I can check. Is that what you want?
It might be what you want.
It might be in here. Yeah.
I'll take that. Yeah. All right. Yeah, let me know. All right. We're right in front of Breakers. Thank you.
I'm sorry about earlier. I was thinking about my sister's birthday. It was my birthday.
Oh yeah, accidentally thinking of your sister's birthday, were you? Ah, amazing.
My sister's not even of age. Why would I tell you my sister when she's not of age?
You think this is like my first time dealing with people drinking underage?
My
Like
sister's
very
not
first
of
time
age.
that we've got fake names and IDs?
Like, we're not the only fucking ones here.
I can only deal with one person at a time. And it gets even longer when you give me fake information.
I'm sorry. I do genuinely appreciate it.
Okay. It doesn't affect me. I'm not mad at you.
I know it doesn't matter.
This is not personal to me.
I know it doesn't matter, but I'm just saying my mom raised a good girl.
Okay.
And I genuinely
Well, let's try to run that route from the rest of the way here, huh?
I'm sorry, I just don't get what
You couldn't keep your mouth shut. Otherwise, you weren't doing anything wrong.
Okay, that's out of all these people, like,
Well, your friends were openly drinking on the beach on 4th of July when we have zero tolerance. No, they're not.
they're just good at hiding it.
Absolutely.
So should we just be good at hiding it?
Well, you can't do that, that's for sure.
Just be good at hiding it.
If I can't see it, right? But that I can definitely see.
I remember that from next time.
I was at a skate park in Ohio before, and a cop pulled up to me. I wasn't drinking or anything, but he was like, "Hey, the park is closed. Can you head home?" And I was like, "Yeah." And he had me give him my ID and everything. So, but I didn't give him a hard time. I respect
You
that
might
guys-
encourage her to give the right information so she stops making it worse for
I
herself.
can try. I respect that it's 4th of July. You guys have other places to be. You guys want
Tell
to be
her.
other places. Just
You don't need to
as much
tell
as
me.
we do.
Tell her.
They're bored, brother. It's okay. They don't have families and shit on the 4th of July. Like, I don't know what to tell them. Their wives are out cheating on them and shit.
Wow, there you go again, being belligerent. Feel good about that? You feel good about that? I promise you, you can't make me mad.
Your wife might be out and cheating on you.
Okay, does that make you feel better?
No, it
Being
doesn't.
belligerent when you're intoxicated?
I think that's sad if your wife cheats.
I think it's sad that you feel like you have to talk that way to people.
No, I think it's sad that you feel the need.
Have we put you down?
Yes.
Have we disrespected you?
Yes, because we're sitting
Because-
here swimming on the beach. We don't know these people next to us. We're sitting here swimming, and you feel the need to pull up to us. Look at all these people drunk as driving home off this beach. We're not the only. Are we driving home? No, we're Ubering.
Well, that's good. We got half. We got half of it.
Driving home.
We will,
Good for you.
but we're also gonna deal with you.
Doesn't affect me. I'm not mad at you. This is not personal
Oh,
to me.
there you go again. Trying to make yourself feel better.
All right, brother.
Well, let's try to run that
I'm
route.
not your brother. You don't know my wife.
Your wife probably cheats on you monthly. Like, does that make you sad?
There you go. You're trying. You're trying hard.
Does it? Does it
Keep
though?
trying.
I don't mean to be rude to you, but does it make you sad?
Actually, you're trying to be rude, but yet you're sitting there in handcuffs. So I'm going to give you the benefit of the doubt. You know, you gotta talk. That's fine.
My mom's gonna get me out of this, so what? Ooh, I don't know the police beats.
What's that again?
Does that affect me?
What's that? I'm sorry. I can't understand you. You're slurring.
Does that affect me that you
I
throw me
can't-
around the beach and my mom's gonna
I
get me
can't-
out of this? My mom and dad.
No, it doesn't affect me. It's not going to get you out of handcuffs right now.
Because you're not gonna get no commission for it, buddy.
That's true. We definitely do not work on commission.
Yeah, no. Yeah, it is nice. I'm a woman. Like, what can I f***ing say? Like, you guys are out here doing your job and I'm out here being a woman. I'm just trying to out here enjoy my f***ing beach time and then hear these pull up.
Not helping.
What are you gonna do? Arrest me for freedom of speech? Right now, it's
Michaela, just stop.
This incident is a reminder that just one moment of losing control can turn a simple situation into a serious problem. Underage drinking was already a mistake, but their refusal to cooperate, resisting officers, and acting confrontational were what made everything escalate. Had the group stayed calm, complied, and answered truthfully, they could have avoided being handcuffed and charged. The situation highlights that. Always respect and follow the instructions of law enforcement. Your words and attitude in a heated moment can cost you far more than you expect. One poor decision while intoxicated can lead to consequences you never saw coming.